This video clip explains how to find the distance between any 2 points. So we've learned the Pythagorean theorem. Let's use it. So what's the distance between 2, 3 and 9, 6? Well, from the distance from 2 to 9 is 7. The distance between 3 and 6 is 3. So if we looked at that on a triangle, one side would be 7, one side would be 3. So the distance that we're trying to find is not known, but we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or 7 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared. 7 squared is 49, 3 squared is 9, so x squared equals 58. But if we want to know what x is, then we need to take the square root. So x is equal to the square root of 58. We can do that on a calculator. We can do that on the simple calculator on the computer. We can just say 58 square root. So it's somewhere around 7.6 if we round it to the nearest tenth. .6. See if that's right. Yeah, 7.6. Okay. So let's try that on another one. The distance between -1, -2 and 8, 5. Well, going from -1 to 8 is a distance of 9. Going from -2 to 5 is a distance of 7. So we have a triangle with a side of 9 and 7. So one side squared plus the other side squared equals x squared. So 49 plus 81 is 130. Square root of 130. 130 square root. 11.4. That's the distance between those 2 points. Those are, in general, x and y, but they could be distances, like they could be miles on a map. They could be coordinates. You know, they could be in a game, in a video game, distances that way. There's all kinds of ways that you could apply this. So let's do this particular problem, and let's put the points on a graph just so we can kind of see visually what's going on. So if I went over 3 and up 2, that point is right there. Over 9 and up 6, that point is right there. So we could say, well, I had to go up by 4 and over by 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. So from, well, that's not 9. Over 3 up 2, over 9 up 6. Yeah, so the increase, this one's 4, and from, yeah, this one's 6. So doing these picture-wise instead of mathematically, to draw the picture and then find out, you know, 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36, 52 is x squared, if that's x, so x equals the square root of 52. 52 square root, 7.2, more or less. That's rounded off.